Hey, everybody, it's JP from Procyon. Hope you're doing well out there. It's been a while since we've hit you with a little podcast, but want to see if I can offer a little encouragement and inspiration to those of us out there, be it professionals or homeowners who are doing the good work of cleaning their carpets with our beautiful soap-free Procyon products. That's the extreme. And of course, our hero product, the spot and stain remover. So here's a theme I wanted to share with you on this late February 2026 day. I've hit it before, but we're going to hit it again. It's about service, people. If you're a professional in the cleaning industry, you are all about service, serving our clients, serving our community, serving our families, serving ourselves. So here's a few quotes for you just to get you cranked up as we start to head towards spring. Winter is almost behind us. Let's start with this one. Earn your success based on service to others, not at the expense of others. How about to give real service, you must add something which cannot be bought or measured with money. You know what comes to my mind when I hear that quote? Health. Health cannot be bought with money. It might be able to be maintained, might be repaired, but you know what? When we're lucky enough to have it, we want to promote it, we want to keep it. And one thing we're absolutely dedicated here to at Soap Free Procyon is to being of best benefit to everyone's health, to promoting continued health. And we do that through no VOCs, no volatile organic compounds. We do not add perfumes. Every time you smell something, and I understand there's some beautiful smells out there, but it generally is an artificial ingredient or a compound that's in our lungs. And my lungs are precious. Yours are too, to all of us at Soap Free Procyon. Love in action is service to the world. Love that one. Always render more and better service than is expected of you, no matter what your task may be. To your family, to your clients, to yourself. We should all be doing our best. And again, at Soap Free Procyon, so committed to making sure our ingredients are the best, that we maintain the highest level of service so that you can continue your important business of cleaning. Okay, so that being said, I want to suggest to professionals, if you haven't tried it yet, get a gallon of our Soap-Free Procyon Extreme Carpet Pre-Spray. I'm shaking this bottle, shaking. And you know what? There are no suds up there. You can see it. No suds. Beautiful, clear liquid. Super effective. You can smell it. You can taste it. This is the stuff that you want to be bringing to your clients to give them the healthiest cleaning. It's the stuff that you want your technicians working with because they can do this decade after decade without any harmful health impacts. And for our homeowners looking to treat those difficult spots between cleanings or using your home cleaning machines, our soap-free spot and stain remover. Again, shake it all day long. Not a sud in there. We went to this natural plastic bottle so you can see the clarity, the pureness of our product. We're so committed. We are committed to serving you. And I want to encourage all of you to go out there and find somebody to serve today. If you're low, it'll bring you so high so fast to know that you have contributed to the well-being of an individual and your community. We're so grateful for all of you out there. Please visit www.soapfreeprocyon, Procyon, for more information. Don't hesitate to call us, and we are so grateful for your continued patronage of our product. Thank you.